Morning. My deliveries arrived really early, which is quite nice because I can play before I go to work. I just want to show you what's in the box. What's in the box? So, I've got it out and it smells lovely. One thing for Darceys, they do pack deliveries really well, as you can see. Right, let's get rid of that. So, can anybody see their order? So let's see what we've got in the box. So this is room spray. So that's for mum-in-law relaxation. It's got a nice lavender smell to it, so it's quite nice to spritz on your pillow before you go to bed. So that's that one. And then what we got in here, this is a small candle. Darceys luxury soy wax candle, and we've got that in a soft silk, so that's for another customer, Matthew, and that's his rhubarb and custard diffuser. Another order, a lovely lady, Tracy, ordered some tea lights. And now these are nice. They're in a pack of 5 and they're £2.50, but they do last a while. They're nice and big and full of soy wax to give you that nice clean burn. And when, like the candles, when they're burning, you can see the lovely oil. It's the wax. It's so clean and just makes you tingle inside. What else have we got? These are wax melts. Sorry, it's a bit early. This is Alien, another customer order. And this is inspired by the perfume. And it smells really nice. So that's another customer order. I'll do that in a second when I've got my other hand free. And what's this one? Oh, snow fairies. Oh, snow fairies. Yay! Should be burning those later. So if anybody wants to get a bundle of the Christmas melts, they can. Just let me know. And I will be making some bundles up next week for everybody to sample. Another customer order, baby powder aroma beads. These are, raspberry lemonade. These are really cute because when I first started using these, I put these in my car and the smell is just amazing. Pear drops. You can put them on the radiator, you can put them in your airing cupboard, you can do all sorts of things with these. Unicorn dust. So that's my order for today. I just want to show you the brochure as well, the Christmas brochure. So this is the Darceys Christmas 2019 brochure. And we have some delightful scents, mandarin, cinnamon and tonka bean. Christmas spirit, cinnamon tangerine, white Christmas, apple and cinnamon, Mrs. Claus cookies, Christmas cherry and snow fairies. So I'll be doing a bundle of 10 Christmas scents. The post is up, so if you want to comment on there or comment on this video, I can do a bundle together for you. Page of Christmas bauble gifts. These are going to be really popular. So there's one with a small snow fairy candle, one with a car diffuser, and one with 3 packs of aroma beads. They're quite cute. I might get one of those myself. We also do some elf deals. I don't know whether you're familiar with the elf on the shelf, but these are quite cute, and I think these are going to be popular as well with the kiddies. So we've got a pink pepper perfume, which I am going to buy. Elf cinnamon and tangerine mini room spray, and an elf and white Christmas small candle. Yummy, yummy. Wow, so we've got bundles, mini bundles, and they come with a gift bag. So we've got a mini bundle with a snow fairy diffuser, apple and cinnamon small candle, mandarin and orange room spray, white Christmas aroma beads. And we have one for the males as well, which consists of the following: Mr. Darcy scents, and these come with a gift bag as well. The gift bags are really cute actually. What I'll do, I'll post a picture of one later so you can see what the gift bags are like. And there's a snow fairy bundle as well. I think snow fairies is going to be quite popular this year. And that's another gift set bundles with a gift bag. Darceys Moonlight Flower Blast. They are new scents, so they sound really nice. Haven't yet tried those yet, but I'm sure they are going to be delicious. And last of all, the more expensive bundles, £65, but I'm sure they will go really quick. And the melt bundles, which will be popular as well. So if you want to have a look at the Christmas brochure, message me, comment, and I'll get one to you as quickly as possible. So that's it for today. I hope you have a great day. Sun shining here in Christchurch, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.